జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. At that time, one demon, her name is Trijata. She was in sleep until then. She just got up, and now she is saying to all other demons like this: "Oh demons, you are all bad. Stop that. Stop doing anything bad to Sita Devi. Do you know who is Sita Devi? Janakasya sutam ishtam snusham Dasarathasya cha. She is Janaka Maharaju's daughter. Sita Devi is Dasaratha Maharaju's daughter-in-law. Don't say anything to Sita Devi. If you want to eat Atmanam Khadata, you can kill me and eat me away. Just now I had one dream. It is a very dreadful dream in which I have seen all of us, that means all the entire dynasty of this Rakshasas. There is a huge destruction to all the demons, and I have seen Rama's Abhyudayam, that means Rama's success. I got that kind of dream. When Trijata said like that, some of the demons got so much anger on Trijata, but immediately they recovered, and because Trijata got a dream in the early morning, they felt scared of it, and they started asking Trijata in detail, saying that, "Oh Trijata, please let us know in detail what that dream that you had in the early morning." Then Trijata saying that, "Yes, oh my dear demons, I have seen Rama. I have seen Rama along with Lakshmana and Gajadantamayim Divyam Sibikam Antarikshagam. He is coming in a beautiful pallak which is made out of the trunks of elephant." Those two brothers, Rama and Lakshmana, Sukla Malya Ambaradharaha, they are wearing beautiful garments, and they are also wearing beautiful ornaments. Sita Devi also is there along with Ramachandra Swami. I have seen Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami on a mountain sitting there, and I also have seen Ramachandra Swami is on a beautiful elephant. Again, Janakim Paryupasthitau. He has Sitamma sitting in his lap, and they are enjoying on that peak levels of that mountain on an elephant. And also I have seen both of them flying in Akasam, in the sky. Sitamma is also trying to reach Surya and Chandra. Sitamma trying to catch hold Surya Chandra. These are all the things that I have seen in my dream. And also Lakshmana Swami is there along with Sita Ramachandra Swami on that elephant. These two brothers and Sita Devi, Lankaya Uparisthitaha, they are there on the elephant, and elephant is there on the Lanka. Like that, Arukhya Pushpakam Divyam Vimanam Surya Sannibham. Not only that, I have seen Sitarama and Lakshmana. Three of them got into Pushpaka Vimanam. Uttaram Disa Alokya Jagama Purushottamaha, and they are traveling towards north side. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.